Hey guys, we have some fresh lemongrass. Just clean them up. Now we're going to soak them in water to remove all the soil. It smells so wonderful. I like to drink lemongrass for relaxation, and just smelling it puts me in a relaxation mood or zone. So we have very tough quality control. We make sure like we clean them up properly, and that way you get good quality herbs. This is amazing. I love lemongrass. Even when I'm cooking, if I'm making porridge, I put some lemongrass in my porridge. So anything like sweet that I'm baking or something, I put a little bit of lemongrass. It's very flavorful, and the smell is just incredible. Fresh lemongrass.